I also want to thank our sponsors, State Farm Insurance, Gulf Coast Ceramic Coatings, Ayers Paint and Body, Classic Chevrolet Sugarland, Buffalo Marine Services, Weekend Drive Garage, the Marriott Sugarland Hotel, Corvette World of Houston, wow.
That was not so bad. That was not so bad, was it? That was not so bad. That was not so bad, was it? That was not so bad. That was not so bad, was it?
बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह रब्बिल आलमीन अल्लाहुम्मा सल्ली अला सय्यिदिना मुहम्मद व अला आलि सय्यिदिना मुहम्मद सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि। क्या हाल चाल है व्यूअर्स। यहाँ मुख्तलिफ किस्म की कारें खड़ी हैं, नई मॉडल की लग्जरी गाड़ियाँ, क्लासिक कारें और कुछ स्पोर्ट्स कारें भी हैं। हर गाड़ी अपने आप में एक कहानी सुनाती है, जिसमें जिद्दत की झलक है तो किसी में रवायती हुस्न का निखार। यहाँ लोग अपनी मोहब्बत और अकीदत के साथ गाड़ियों की नुमाइश के लिए जमा हुए हैं और साथ ही अपनी खूबसूरत गाड़ियाँ भी नुमाइश के लिए लाए हैं। आज के व्लॉग में मैं आपको इन हसीन कारों की झलक दिखाऊंगा, तो चलिए दोस्तों इस खूबसूरत मंजर का लुत्फ़ उठाते हैं।
Comes on at night. She complained about the plane crash with a gleam in her eye. It's interesting when people die. Give us the longest room. Got a running back. Get the window on and set. We need dirty laundry. Yeah. You don't really need to find out what's going on. You don't really want to know just how far it's gone. Just leave well enough alone. Eat your dirty laundry. Kick 'em when they're up, kick 'em when they're down. Kick 'em when they're up, kick 'em when they're down. Secrets, dirty little lies. We got dirty little fingers in everybody's pie. Love just puts you down the side. We got an innuendo, we can dance and sing. When it's said and done, we haven't told you a thing. We don't want the crafters king. Give us dirty laundry.
This is a 24.
Look, yellow is actually technical on its tail end. The trouble is with yellow, after about 3 or 4 years, Go for a ride.
Way to break out those troubles or have it when you're on your own.
It's like, I don't know. It's okay.
Trying to hide it. I know you've been caught up in the market alone. You gotta hear me when I tell you. You just have to reach out. Save your feelings on me. If you need me, you know. Save your feelings on me.
Wow.
Go guard sign over your face. It's amazing the balance of it. That's where I can't still.
You just have to. 'Cause you know. Then you know.
Bad boy sense. She's the best. Look. She's not
Right now. That one, that sweet heart, it's been a good trouble now. Little left to the left, was it right to the left? Take your left hand and put it on your side. Come roll your shoulders. Use the next slide. This I'm not there. This time don't lose a t-shirt. That one, that sweet heart is spinning. We'll go down and Lines on the left, is the right. Right now, it's a I'll do the teach for you. And Cowboy, sweet heart and spin a whip down and deep. Back to the left now and dip. When it don't throw down, take a sip. With it and lean back, put your head, say it. Just do whatever you like right here. Just gonna do the thing then Cowboy, baby, grab a sweetheart. Take it to the left now and dip. Boy, I ain't gonna deal. That was not so bad. That was not so bad, was it? That was not so bad. That was not so bad, was it? That was not so bad. That was not so bad, was it? That was not so bad. That was not so bad, was it? Gonna do the two-step. Tell what, baby, grab a sweetheart and spin that wheel. Do the hold down and get into it. Take it to the left now and dip with it, don't go down. Take a sip with it out of the air.
Good afternoon, everybody. We're so glad to have. Now, this show is being presented by Classic Chevrolet Sugarland, Sugarland Town Square, and of course, the Corvette Owners Club of Houston. Now, I also want to thank our sponsors, State Farm Insurance, Gulf Coast Ceramic Coatings, Ayers Paint and Body, Classic Chevrolet Sugarland, Buffalo Marine Services, Weekend Drive Garage, the Marriott Sugarland Hotel, Corvette World of Houston, John Brownlee. Thank you, sponsors, very, very much. Also want to let you know raffle tickets are on sale at the top before they run out. We also have a 50-50 cash drawing. And remember today, this benefits the Corvette Rainbow Room.
I wanna go time traveling through Texas when me. I wanna go time traveling through Texas when me. I wanna be there to breathe the air and see all I can see in my Texas time traveling machine. Well, the day goes on, sun beats down, I bet your skin a golden brown. Now you're feeling like the wind. I'm a bull out alongside the road and see the land old Jesse on. And all the times he spent with me. Bob Cadillac the tracks, time will take us back to the land of so fun. I wanna go time traveling through Texas when me. I wanna go time traveling through Texas in my Texas time traveling machine. Yeah. You got to take Geronimo, he said best. This is my land, I will not rest till I'm dead or it's been free. I wanna go time traveling through Texas when I wanna go time traveling through Texas. It's no better. I gotta know, Jay, you're playing a game. You're playing a game. Playing a game.
Chewing on a piece of grass, walking down the road. Tell me, how long you gonna stay here, Joe? Some people say this town don't look good in the snow. You don't care, I know. Ventura Highway in the sunshine, where the days are longer, the nights are stronger than moonshine. You're gonna go.
जी व्यूवर्स, तो ये था टाउन सेंटर शुगरलैंड जहाँ कॉर्वेट ब्रांड की गाड़ियों की नुमाइश जारी है। तो ये था आज का मेरा व्लॉग। उम्मीद है आपको पसंद आया होगा। प्लीज़ चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा, लाइक और शेयर जरूर कीजिएगा। अल्लाह आपको खुश रखे, आबाद रखे, मुझे भी अपनी दुआओं में याद रखिएगा। अल्लाह हाफिज़।